our private pool. Can't believe I'm saying that. We've never stayed anywhere like this. We're at Atmosphere Resorts here in Dumaguete, in the Negros Island. I need to learn how to say these places. Anyway, we're gonna be here for about 4 days. We're gonna start exploring the island. This is our first time to an island in the Philippines. We, especially this one, are so excited. So stay tuned.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day.
Update, we haven't left since this morning. We swam in our private pool, we had lunch here. We just went over the itinerary for a number of excursions we're gonna do. So we're gonna go to Apu Island and snorkel with sea turtles. We're gonna see some waterfalls. We might go to a sandbar and do some dolphin watching. But in the meantime, we're swimming at three different kiddie pools they have here. Hayes is in heaven. Good morning from this paradise. It's our first morning here and we're going on our first excursion. I think to see some waterfalls and some hot springs. I don't know much about this island, so really excited to check it out today. It's very humid out. Where's the baby?
Breakfast is down here.
Oh.
Playing in the sand.
Lanka.
The pandisa is a local food.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, so hey, try.
Baby, do you want to try one?
You want to try one? Oh wow! Hey, you love that. You try it? Okay, I'll try it first. Delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really nice bread, nice and soft.
By the way, that's Oni, and he is the one who's taking us on our adventure today.
With
Japheth.
Japheth
and Bebet.
Bebet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let Pete say the name of this waterfall because I can't roll my R's.
And it's not often that I can pronounce stuff, but Casororo Waterfall is where we're at.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, evidently it's
400 steps.
down
300.
means that it's 400 steps up.
It's a little bit high going up. Alright, I was all good with these brick steps, or these concrete steps. Very well constructed, by the way. But now we're entering into the like metal type steps. So a little less excited about that, especially when you see this.
Oh no.
Alright,
Oh, I hate this.
wish us luck.
I hate it. I hate it so much. I hate it.
Alright, they feel pretty sturdy actually, so
At least
all
there's
good.
not 100 other people on them on a Sri Lankan holiday.
Oh, good reminder. If you haven't seen our video of Sigiriya, go check it out because it is epic.
Well, you haven't got to the best step yet.
No! Okay, I have a plan. I don't do heights. Tell we were getting higher on the drive here because I feel it in my ears. And I grew up in a mountain. Technically a hill. Almost a mountain.
Just seen a bridge that we're probably gonna cross and Stephanie is gonna hate it. Have you noticed the bridge that we're about to walk over?
How is that a bridge? No.
I told you.
Oh
So the bridge actually is unwalkable.
God. It's the best news I've heard all day.
We're gonna have to go across the river, but I'll just show you why. Which way?
Just came over the river and now we need to do it again. It's like really not a big deal. We just don't do this stuff a lot. So sorry that you're watching a video in the Philippines of one of the least adventurous people in the world. Very close up. Is that a song?
Yeah.
Almost forgot the weight. Yeah, it's this. Hazy, did you see it?
That is actually the coolest waterfall I think I've ever seen.
No, this is amazing.
Worth it?
Yeah. Well, we still got to get like got one more river crossing and then
Okay, so we'll say.
and then it'll be worth it.
Okay, this one?
Okay, little treacherous getting here, but well worth it. I mean, this is amazing waterfall with all this like lush vegetation around. I mean, this is a special place.
Takes about 4 adults to get haze down here.
So there's no escalator back up then? Hey, I counted those steps on the way down here. There's 512. Yeah.
You did not. He's a snake case. Another one?
Oh. I'm so tired, but that was so worth it. And I'm trying to remember that he's not always going to be on my back, so trying to cherish the moments.
That was the beginner one of today.
Okay. That was the easy one.
I think I would hike more if every time I finished somebody plopped down a plate full of fresh mango. That never happens in Chattanooga. Going, Hayes?
Hey, this is not hot spring. On hot spring.
It's not raining.
The rocks here are red, copper. That's why they call it pulang batu. Because in our local, we call the rock or stone batu.
Pulang batu.
Pulang batu is a red rock, red stone.
Red rock. Red rock.
Red rock. Pulang batu.
Mom, you did rock here, see?
It's red also. I don't think I've ever been to a hot spring. Have you ever been to a hot spring?
Yeah, no, I don't think I have. I'm excited.
So it's just like naturally this hot?
Yeah, just from like the sulfur, I guess, right? From the...
Like a bathtub?
Do you know what this is? This is a really good time to leave in the comments what is a hot spring. Because we obviously don't have a clue what it is. So, let us know. Also, are there any other hot springs in the Philippines that we should go check out?
Also, this is a good time to give us a thumbs up on this video and a comment if you're enjoying it. It really helps us so more people will see our series here in the Philippines. We appreciate you watching. Right by the hot hot springs are 2 more waterfalls, twin waterfalls, and the best part is that you just park and you walk right up.
Sulfur vent. Oh, okay. So sulfur vent, and
Smells like a boiled egg. Yeah,
smells like boiled egg,
boiled egg. Yeah, it smells like boiled egg.
and also smells like.
Because in this area there's a volcanic activity below us, so that's why there's sulfur vent happening here.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
I
and
think
it's hot.
Really
and
hot.
It's smoky.
Yeah. Very cool, but very smelly. That's about all I have to say about this. Not sure if that sign is for the actual people working here or for me. Steph is never going to include that.
I don't think I've met somebody that's as excited about monkeys as me. This is great. I love monkeys.
Look at them.
I was just Googling the best place in the Philippines to see monkeys.
Oh, here's the, oh wow.
Look, Hayes, look, this guy's feeding them papaya.
Oh, now they're going to be happy. Look, Hazy, look.
Oh no! Oh, you think you're being corn.
Papaya.
It's papaya.
Wow. No share. I'm telling them to share.
This is my favourite kind of monkey. Because we're in this like really nice, safe van. They can't get to us, but it's really,
We're really close. Oh, he's coming to say hi.
What's that doing? They're trying to get that weave off them.
Well, there's a banana.
Now I have a 3 minutes and 28 seconds of monkey footage.
Hey, is this just going to be a separate vlog?
All right, we had a wonderful, wonderful morning at the waterfalls and the hot spring and the other waterfalls, and now we're back at the resort. And they have this thing called the kids zone for kids and no adults. So we're gonna go let Hayes give that a try. He met a girl last night, a 6-year-old that he loves playing with, and she's there, so he's very, very excited about this. Oh. While Hayes was at the kids club, I had a really, really nice massage in their beautiful, beautiful spa area. And then a flower bath. Didn't even know that was a thing, but it was lovely.